Hello everyone, my name is Caleb Dole and I live in Lubbock, Texas. Right across the street from Texas Tech campus. My hobbies right now are golfing about 3 to 4 days a week, and then the other 3 days I'm usually playing pickleball or I'm in flight school, so uh those are my three big things right now that take up most of my time, and then of course on the other end focusing on school and then hobbies in the free time. My degree is aviation management. This is just something that I want to do, and it saves me about 500 hours to apply to the airline. So if I get a degree in aviation, I can apply at 1,000 hours instead of 500, which is very helpful. Getting there quicker and beating everyone. Um, my current job, I work at Discount Tire. I change tires all day long. Especially during the summer, I'm working about 40 hours a week. My plan after this course is go to the airlines. I love flying. It's something that I've always wanted to do since I was a little kid. So, definitely taking these courses helps me get there a lot faster. How many courses to graduation? About 16 courses. I'll have about 4 semesters left. Um, but taking these summer classes definitely helps me get there a lot faster. Just trying to get it out of the way and learn more. Um, I definitely want to just learn more about aviation. That's why I like taking these classes, and it's always been a interest of mine, and I guess just more about aviation history, the Wright brothers and stuff like that. Um, I think that's all. Thank y'all.